All right, hey everyone, and welcome to the demo of the Magento 2 AI Chatbot by Meetanshi. I'm excited to just walk you through how this works. So right here, we're on a pretty standard demo store, and you can see our little chatbot widget down in the corner. This is Clara, and she's powered by Google's Gemini AI, ready to help out. So let's try out one of the most common things a customer would do. Check their order status. I'll just click on Track Order here. The bot asks for the order number and email. I'll go ahead and pop in some demo info. Let's see. And hit Enter. And there you go. Instant update right in the chat. Super simple, and it saves your support team a ton of time. But tracking orders is just the start. The real power is in how it helps customers find what they're looking for. I'm going to act like a customer and ask it for a recommendation. Let's type, "Can you help me find a good face cream?" Now, watch this. Instead of just giving me a link, the AI actually pulls products from the catalog and shows them to me right here in this little carousel. I can scroll through, see the names, the pictures, the prices. It's like having a sales assistant right on the page. It's also smart enough to handle general questions. Now, let me quickly switch over to the backend so you can see how easy this is to manage from your end. Here we are in the Magento configuration. It's all really straightforward. You've got a simple option here to enable it, a spot for your Gemini API key, and you're basically set. And down here is where you can customize everything to match your brand. You can change the agent's name. We have Clara, as you saw, tweak all the greetings, and of course, change the colors. You can even tell the AI exactly which product details to focus on for its recommendations. It's super flexible. So yeah, that's a quick look at the AI chatbot for Magento 2. As you can see, it's a super powerful way to improve your customer service and guide shoppers to the right products 24/7. If you want to learn more or grab it for your own store, just head over to meetanshi.com. Thanks for watching the demo.